the small segmental deep back muscles, we have the interspinalis muscle. It originates on the superior surface of the inferior spinous process. So if we start down here with this spinous process, it will originate here. And then it will insert on the inferior surface of the spinous process superior to it. So it just goes up to connect to the spinous process above it, and it will do that all the way up the spine. So an easy way to remember this is interspinalis connects to the spinous process. Spinalis, spinous process. And the innervation is dorsal rami, blood supply or posterior branches of the posterior intercostal arteries. And its actions is minimal, just as postural muscles. For another visual of the interspinalis muscles, here's a model from the Complete Anatomy app. The other small segmental muscle is the intertransversarii. This time they're going to connect to each transverse process. So the origin of the intertransversarii is the superior surface of the inferior transverse process. So here I have a transverse process, and it will go to insert on the inferior surface of the transverse process superior to it. So it will go up to connect there, and it will continue this all the way up the spine. Innervation is dorsal and ventral rami of the corresponding spinal nerves. Posterior branches of the posterior intercostal artery is the blood supply, and the action is just to be postural muscles. For another visual of the intertransversarii muscles, here's a model from the Complete Anatomy app.